Her travel authority has been signed and approved, and earning salary in her YouTube channel, Ma'am Sha with Love.
Her niece has just graduated with Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering and a Civil Service Professional Passer 2024. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you will hear the celebrant in her inexpressible feelings and to say some words of happiness and thanks to everyone here.
So the song that I have sung during the entrance is an inspirational song that reminds us to stay positive, even in the darkest days, hoping that one day everything's going to be fine. It conveys the message that everyone has journeys and that we should still try to move on, continue to dream, and live with them. It says that when we go forward, it means forward, and we shouldn't stop. We should continue our journey with a positive outlook in life and a thankful heart. So today, I want to share my happiness with my family, relatives, co-workers, and friends. And for me, no words are enough to express fully how happy I am in your presence today. Thanking God for blessing me all to see you on our celebration. So thank you, everyone. We really appreciate your presence tonight. Mara po ba nag-graduate ba? Kung tagpahimuot pasok pa, isarahan kong speech, paypayan na gid akong lubot kay buong damo na dyan ko. Bitaw, di na kayo mag-talk. Sige. Above all, so today, it's my privilege to thank you and express my heartfelt thanks to all. Above all, to the Almighty Father for the continuous blessings He continuously showering upon us and upon me for all the graces we receive and for making all things possible. To my vibrant and supportive parents, for their undying support and encouragement. To my exquisite and honest siblings for unfading love and inspiration. To my husband, Henry, thanks for the 101 support +1 in understanding. So thank you for converting my weakness into strength. Thank you also to my mga pamangkins. We have here, na po yung mga adopted na pamangkins. So thank you nga, you made the celebration a successful one. So, nikuan man mo ang MC, naman siya importanteng yatag sumbuang na. So, anak ko sa mga pag-umangkon. Si Sir Noel pa, kumbati. So, ako ng mga pag-umangkon. Ako ba, adapted na pag-umangkon ng ihapon. So, I would just say thank you to Roslyn, the Mitch, at the Bibi, Dong Aiko, and Ate Parks. And ako din isulat kay masamot, madugay na kay ko. To my DepEd families, headed by our most respected Superintendent, Dr. Danny B. Cordova. Sir, thank you for sparing time with me and with us, sir, your DepEd family. Pakpok po mo. Wala naman yung pakpok. Dayan ako ikuan si sir, kayo wala ko man si sir assistant. Hasta si sir CIG. And so thank you, sir, for the trust and believing in my talents, skills, and capacities. Naara ko na gamay. And to wala si sir, hinapon ko magpasalamat ko wala. And to my Ami, Ma'am Cynthia, Ma'am Chocho, wala ka po naguban. And ang ato ang supportive HR personnel, si Mami Queen Talia. Ang uban, wala ko kailanaw naman si Ma'am. Basta lang mo na ako. Wala lang ko kaila si mga ngalan tanan, pero nakanawang mo ko. So thank you kayo sa pag-arigin, pag-support. And thank you, Ma'am Queen Talia, sa pag-process akong papel. Salamat. Then to my badminton and research buddy, Sir Vicente V. Suarez II. wala si Sir Anton. Napod si Sir Yohan. Thank you, sir, and thank you very much for your all-out support. And of course, to my previous principals, we have here Ma'am Belen. Thank you kay Ma'am. Sir Noel. Dayon, congrats po, sir, for believing in me and for the constant encouragement. And of course, to Ma'am Rachel, sa mga differential matters, mga financial matters. And to my associates, colleagues, and friends in Dapitan City Central School, asa man yung taga-Dapitan. Si Ma'am Elsie, si Sir Aubrey, si Ma'am Chanen. Dahil sa Maria Cristina, hep hep! Oh, naragin sir, kung bati na gini sila sir. And sa present na ko sa Asiniero ES. Oh yeah? Naiduha ka buok. Thank you sir, ma'am. Nandiyan, duwa na yun na-absent. So, nag-attendance check na ko. So, to everyone who helped, love, and support me all the way. So, thank you to you all. Thank you for making my school days so beautiful and blessed. So, thank you very much for being part of my journey. Moto ako ikakabala, di ko kabalo. Kay meaningful kay kanta. And I want to dedicate the song to all of you who have been part of my teaching journey. Hasta po sa akong YouTube journey. May na? So, proud na po ko, nag-market kamay. So, I am a monetized channel. Muna akong gigamit niya, Ma'am Shawi Vlog. So, monetized channel na ko, nagsuldo na po ko akong sideline. Mainline namin na ito, sideline to siya. Thank you, Ma'am. And to our band na nag-play karon, a round of applause to the chord band. Na si Sir Imbudo, si Sir GM, si Sir classmate, batchmate, Sir Precious, si then si Sir Nilo, si Sir Marlon, and our usap po nato ka sir. So thank you very much to the chord band, and to also to Sir Danny for letting us use the band. Wala kayo hesitant sir, palingon ako, sir, pwede may makahangyo. Wala dyan, kimi-kimi sir, siya, sugot kitsa dayon. So, thank you kay Sir Dan. Pakpak po mo. Sorry ha. Ako may kwan ron, superintendent. Muna mo tuod yun mo na ako. So, and of course, to Monina's Place, to Sir Oyong and Ma'am Maribel for attending and for catering our needs. So thank you very much. I owe my success to each and everyone. So thank you very much and Godspeed. Thank you.